Hello, class, and welcome back. We're going to do this exercise now, convert the inches to centimeters program that we did in our last video to an interactive application named Inches to Centimeters Interactive. Instead of assigning a value to the variable that holds inches, accept the value as user input. Okay, so we can do that right here. This is our inches to centimeters program from the last video. And what we're going to do is we're not going to let the program decide how many inches there are. So I'm going to take that away and we're going to ask a user. So we're going to come down here right in this spot and we're going to do a right line. We're going to ask our user to enter the number of inches. Okay. And when the user enters something, inches is going to be assigned that value. And the way we do that is we're going to have inches equals, and we're going to have to convert this to a double because the read line, what we're going to be using is going to be reading the console whenever the user types in information. And when a read line reads the console, the data type that it defaults to is string data. But we need to convert that into double data so that we can actually do mathematical calculations with it. So the way we do that is we're going to have to convert dot to double. And we have to put an open parentheses and put read line inside that set of parentheses. So now we should be able to run it. Enter the number of inches. If we say 3 inches is 7.62 centimeters. And that's it. All we did was we took out the hard-coded amount of inches and we let the user decide. So we can run this again and pick just 10. That's all we did. We took out the built-in data and we let the user decide what data to do. So we have convert dot to double. We do need the system tool in order to do that. So convert dot to double read line is how you get information from the user and convert it into double data in order to do mathematical calculations with it. Okay, let me know if you have any questions and we will see you in the next video. Have a good day.